I'm Marc Sievers, and welcome to my Paris adventure. So one of my favorite things about traveling to Paris is all of the delicious bread. Poilâne bread is, I think, probably one of the most famous bakeries in the entire world, and I'm staying in an apartment that just happens to be right around the corner. So I've been indulging in all of the bread, obviously, because I can't get Poilâne bread readily at home. You can have it shipped to you overnight from Paris, and it comes in a huge bowl, and yes, it is a lovely, luxurious treat if you can do it. But today, I'm using Poilâne bread for a tartine. What I love about a tartine is it's an open-faced French sandwich almost. It's a thin layer of beautiful country bread, toasted to golden brown, and then piled high with all kinds of delicious things. So I kind of have been grazing the last few days. I've got some extra things in the refrigerator, and I thought that will make a perfect tartine. So I have some toasted bread, some Poilâne bread, and then this is my verte vinaigrette, or also a little dip or a spread like I said in my last video. I'll link the video for you here. And then I'm just gonna put, I don't know, about a tablespoon or so of this delicious vinaigrette right on the sandwich. It's filled with herbs and creme fraiche and all of the yummy things. And then to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of French fleur de sel just to give it a little bit of salty crunch and to kind of awaken all the flavors. And then I have a beautiful Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese and just a vegetable peeler. And I'm just gonna peel this right on top in big shards. And what I love about a tartine is that you can serve them with just a little glass of wine for a lunch. You can cut them up into pieces and have them for a little hors d'oeuvre while you're making dinner or really anywhere. They're just a wonderful little indulgence during the day. And then I have just some greens of fresh arugula. This is beautiful, cold, crisp arugula that I'm just gonna pile high on top. Not too high, actually. Just a few pieces just to get that peppery bite. And that is a delicious tartine. Simple, quick, easy. What could be better? Head over to marcsievers.com for more tartine recipes. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and au revoir from Paris. Let's see. There's a big bite. Now just a little glass of wine, and I'll be all set. Bye, guys. That is so good. I'm having another bite. I'm gonna go walk later.